We are surrounded by energy, wind energy. It's clean and truly renewable. All we have to do is harvest it. The trouble is, beautiful though this landscape is, sometimes the weather isn't all that obliging.
The Lochluichart Wind Farm construction has been a challenging project from the outset. You can see from the weather conditions that surround us at the moment that the nature of the landscape we're constructing this wind farm in is slightly hostile. We have quite a snowstorm passing through the country at the moment, and that's been the nature of the beast for the whole project. It's been high winds, lots of snow, occasional breaks in the weather, and during the breaks we've had to make as much progress as we can.
This project is really a landmark project for Eneco. It's 69 megawatts. Compared to anything else that we built on shore, it is by far the biggest. It is actually on a shooting estate as well, which we have to respect. Not only respect, but we wish to work very closely with the landowners, the Leslie Melvilles here. We regard this as a partnership with them for 25 years.
Turbine deliveries to this wind farm were a logistical challenge. The turbines were shipped from Denmark. They were manufactured by Siemens to Invergordon Port. From Invergordon Port they were transported in convoys of 3 lorries by road down to the Tor roundabout, and subsequently from there up the A road to Ullapool, where they transited from the A road at the Glascarnoch Dam. We worked with Police Scotland and Road Scotland to achieve that, and the whole process went very smoothly and successfully because of their assistance.
Starting over to your left now, Stevie boy. To the left, left, looking good. Finish that, left good.
In the UK, there is an obligation on the wind farm developer to provide a community benefit fund alongside its wind farm application. What I feel that Eneco has done really differently in this case is we haven't just given the money to the community and left them to sort it out, so almost bringing them a problem. We've been very keen and committed to working together with the community to ensure that this will make a real difference. So we've set up the Lochluichart Community Trust, which has a very clear strategy, which is all around the rejuvenation of the glen.
These wind turbines are going to do a lot for our community. We have a hall that's badly in need of, shall we say, repair, new heating maybe, something like that, new windows. There's a hydrotherapy pool in Dingwall that a lot of our local people go to. But we really would like one really good big project so that there's a lasting impression made with all the money that's going to come in.
This landscape is so open, so vast, that scale is deceptive. From a distance, the turbines look delicate, slender, almost bird-like. But each of these blades is nearly 50 meters long, and building something like this in such a remote location is a real achievement. At Lochluichart, it's taken 2.5 years to build the roads and the turbine bases, to install all the cabling and deliver all the parts, to erect 23 turbines capable of producing a massive 69 megawatts of clean energy. Financially, the Lochluichart Wind Farm will clearly benefit local people, but do they like them?
Love them. Absolutely adore them. I wish I had one that I could look out my window at, but unfortunately I can't see them. But I would love to.
This landscape is already much altered by the energy industry, although it doesn't appear so. The loch behind me is a hydroelectric scheme run by Scottish and Southern. With the hydroelectric schemes that have existed here for the last 50 years, and now the wind farm which has been built, you can see that the natural resources of the highlands can very much be seen as powering the highlands.